Okay, here it is, near end crosstalk NEXT, which is in copper box. This is also useful if you are facing any crosstalk issues in your phone lines or any circuits. So here we have a diagram. So this is actually customer side and the tip and ring. The near end crosstalk, you can measure the near end crosstalk between two lines. If you have separate lines and you are facing any crosstalk in between these two lines, this is one line and this is another line 2. This is line 1. These two are the different subscribers. It could be different subscribers or it could be the same customer, but they have a separate lines. So in between these two you can check the crosstalk in between both of them. So you can use your Argus copper box. In the MDF side also you can use this Argus copper box, or if you want to use it from the cabinet end also, you can connect from this end. You can remove this side, and if you want to test in between these 2 points, you can use between customer and the street cabinet, or otherwise you can remove the cables from this side. You can disconnect these cables for going to customer, and you can test the crosstalk in between MDF and the street cabinet. So it is possible you can connect Argus and this end also. So the second thing, you can also test from the customer end also. You can remove the cables from this side and you can go on the customer end. You can test from here also. So both ends is possible. And what are the readings? Actually, the readings are the most important, and how the Argus is going to test these cables. It is actually testing the near end crosstalk between this tip and this ring. It will first these two and then these two. If there is any problem with any crosstalk in between these two lines, so it will give you a reading for around approximately, it will be above 38. Okay, we have readings. It could be after when you run the copper box test in Argus, you are going to get the readings. For example, if it is 65 dB, it means the adjacent line is the maximum value reached, and 65 is the maximum in Argus, so it is good. There is no crosstalk. So if the value is 65 dB, there is no crosstalk. If the value is 37 dB, it is sufficient. There is a crosstalk, but it will not gonna have any interference in the line, so it is acceptable for any line if the reading is 37 dB. So 65 is good and 37 is also acceptable. If the reading is less than 37 dB, it means there is crosstalk. Or if it is 5 or less than 5, so it means the tone is 100% cross coupled and severely interference. quality. So it means it is like there is interference in the cable, so it is the bad one. So you have to get the readings above 37 to 65, like you can see in the LCL readings before. It is also the same. And most of you are thinking how we can test this near end crosstalk, because we need 4 cables for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you're gonna see, if you remember the copper box on the in the Argus, you can see the red one and the black one you can connect in these 2 lines, and then the green and the blue cable is an optional. So the Argus will use these 2 as the second lines, and it will test between these 2 and these 2 cables, and the results will be with you as we have explained. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Hope you all got it what I want to explain.